Hi, I'm Kevin Eads, an instructor at Trinidad State Junior College. I teach history, which is my passion. I just enjoy making the connections to the past and learning our ancestors' motivations. There are three reasons I'm taking this course. First, I enjoy expanding my learning and honing my craft. I know there is room to get better. Second, I'm also interested in what I can do with technology to become a better online teacher, so there are new and better things being developed all the time. And last, I hope to see some other ideas from my colleagues on their online approaches. Sometimes it seems that the online courses are solo acts from the teaching perspective. I'm quite boring when it comes to movie theater treats. Bring on the buttered popcorn. The one thing I'm looking forward to is course design. It is my goal to try to make my online course as seamless as possible from a student's point of view and less taxing on myself as an instructor. My wife kids me that I tinker too much with my courses, and to a certain extent that is true. I am always experimenting. Looking back on my experience teaching online, I have found the technology to be the biggest struggle. From not having the right equipment to having slow speeds, I always fight the technology battle. And students can complicate things by working on their phones. So here I'm looking for ways to bring those phones into the online environment, thus making it easier on them. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give myself a 7 on online teaching tools. I come from a varied perspective regarding online tools, especially learning management systems, or LMS. My first experience with LMS was graduate school. I used a system called Blackboard. In my teaching experience, I've used WebCT, Angel, Canvas, and now D2L Brightspace. That's a lot of LMS to cram into one head. I'm also familiar with YouTube, I have my own channel, and I have toyed with SoftChalk. I do know my course competencies from CCNS and use them currently in my present courses. Thank you for watching and have a great day.